Good morning, respected teacher and classmates. I'm Juliet Valencia Fernandez, and here I want to share with you my interactive activities using the web tool EducaPlay. In this tool, you can build games like crosswords and different games in order to practice different topics with your students. So I want to show you a little of the activities that I built. So the first activity is about past simple tense. In this game, the students should organize the words into a sentence, applying past simple tense, grammar, and structure. So when you may click in the link, this is the link, so you are going to go to a screen. This is the screen. In this screen, you are going to know how many time you have for doing the activity. In this case is 4 minutes, and how many of tries you can do it. In this case are 3, and you should make a click in start. After that, you're going to see this screen. In this screen, you can see the instructions for the activity. So you have to organize these words into a sentence. So this is a sentence in past simple tense. So you have to take it into account in order to organize it in a good way. When you, in order to organize the words, you have to draw the words into this place in order to organize the sentence. For example, I have to organize and draw all the words into this place and build the sentence. When you have finished the sentence, you have to make click here in check. After that, you are going to have your score. In this case, the score was 100 because I built the sentence in a correct way. In this case, the sentence was, I eat ice cream yesterday at night. So after that, if you can play more, you can make click here in game, play a game. And in this part, you have the time that you spent doing the activity and in how many tries you did it. In this case was in the first. This is the first activity that I built. The second activity is also focused in past simple tense. So in this activity, the students should see a video about daily routines, and while they are seeing it, they should answer some questions about it using past simple tense. So when you may click here in the link, so you are going to see this screen. In this screen, you have like a little description of activity. In the following activity, you can practice the listening of English present tense, and also you can relate the things that you are listening with the image that can help you to understand the meaning of the word. So the idea is make click here in start. After that, a video is going to start. In this case, it's a video related to daily routines. So when you are seeing the video, like you can see in this part, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts of the video that have a question. So you have 8 questions. So for example, when you go to the second 24, the video is going to stop and you are going to see a question that you have to answer. So in this case, for example, this is other part of the video. So the idea is to pay attention to the video because the questions are related to the video. So for example, at the second 24, this is the first question. What time does the girl get up every day? So you have this part in order to answer the question. In this part, you have to answer. So here I answer it. She gets up at 6 a.m. every day. So after that, you have to make click here in answer in order to check if the answer is correct or no. In this case, the answer is correct. So for this case, the answer is correct. Like you can see here, right answer. So after that you have to click in next. And that's all. When you finish all the activity, you are going to have your score. So it's a good way in which our students can practice the different topics that we teach, but in an interactive way. So that could encourage our students to learn more about the different topics that we teach. So thank you so much for your attention. Goodbye.